What did you do today? Did you go to work? Did you cook? Did you talk to your family? These are simple questions, but they are the start of real English fluency. Welcome to Talk Tune English. My name is Jason, and today I will help you speak English about something very real, your daily life. This is not grammar class. This is life class. We will use easy, simple English to talk about your day, just like native speakers do. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need big words. You just need to speak. To speak again and again. That's how you grow. So let's begin with something very simple. Your morning. Listen and repeat after me. Speak out loud. Feel the words in your mouth. Let's start. I wake up at 6:30 in the morning. I open my eyes. I feel sleepy. I turn off my alarm. I sit up in bed. I stretch my arms. I get out of bed. Say it with me. I wake up at 6:30. I feel sleepy. I stretch my arms. Now you try. Imagine your own morning. What time do you wake up? Say it aloud. I wake up at, say your time. I feel. How do you feel? I sit up in bed. I get up. Good. Now let's move on. After I wake up, I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a shower. I get dressed. I comb my hair. Repeat after me. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I get dressed. Now try to say your routine. Do you brush your teeth? Do you take a shower in the morning? Say it aloud. I brush my teeth in the morning. I take a quick shower. I get ready for the day. Good job. Speaking your daily life in English helps your brain connect words to real things. It becomes natural. After you wake up and get ready, what's next? Maybe you have breakfast. Let's talk about it. You can say, I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. I usually have bread and eggs. I drink a cup of tea. Sometimes I eat rice and vegetables. Simple, right? Now listen and repeat slowly with me. I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. I usually have bread and eggs. I drink a cup of tea. Sometimes I eat rice and vegetables. Good. Let's try a small conversation. Imagine someone asks you, what do you eat for breakfast? You can answer, I usually eat eggs and toast. Or, I eat rice and vegetables. Let's do it again. Question. What do you eat for breakfast? Your turn to answer. That's great. Now let's move to the next part of your day, after breakfast. Many people go to work or school. Let's learn how to talk about that. You can say, I go to work at 8 a.m. I take the bus to work. I start work at 9. I work in an office. I'm a student. I go to school. Now repeat slowly. I go to work at 8 a.m. I take the bus to work. I start work at 9. I work in an office. I'm a student. I go to school. Very nice. Now let's add more details. For example, I work in a bank. I work at a restaurant. I study English at school. I have classes in the morning. Now, let's imagine a short conversation. Jason, what time do you go to work? I go to work at 8. Jason, how do you go to work? I take the bus. Jason, where do you work? I work in a shop. Great. Now let's talk about what you do at work or school. You can say, I check emails. I talk to customers. I study math. I read books. I write in my notebook. Repeat after me. I check emails. I talk to customers. I study math. I read books. I write in my notebook. Now listen to this mini story. My name is Jason. I work in an office. I start at 9 a.m. I take the train to work. In the morning, I check my emails and call my team. At 12 o'clock, I have lunch with my coworkers. In the afternoon. I work on my computer. I finish work at 5. Let's say this together in parts. I work in an office. I start at 9 a.m. I check my emails and call my team. I have lunch at 12. I finish work at 5. You're doing well. Now let's talk about lunch. You can say, I eat lunch at noon. I have lunch at 12 o'clock. I eat with my friends. I eat rice and chicken. I drink water or juice. Repeat after me. I eat lunch at noon. I eat with my friends. I drink water or juice. Great. Now let's practice a small conversation about lunch. Jason, what time do you eat lunch? I eat lunch at 12. Jason, who do you eat with? I eat with my coworkers. Jason, what do you eat? I eat rice and chicken. Let's say it again. Jason, what time do you eat lunch? I eat lunch at 12. Keep practicing. Repetition is powerful. Now it's afternoon. You can say, I work until 5 p.m. I study until 4. I have a break at 3 o'clock. I feel tired in the afternoon. I drink coffee in the afternoon. Repeat slowly with me. I work until 5 p.m. I have a break at 3 o'clock. I feel tired in the afternoon. I drink coffee. Perfect. Let's put it all together. My name is Jason. I wake up at 6. I eat breakfast at 7. I go to work at 8. I start work at 9. At 12, I eat lunch. I have a break at 3. I finish work at 5. You see, that's your daily routine in English. Step by step, sentence by sentence. Your English gets better. You don't need hard words. You just need to practice every day. Repeat this video often. Speak with me. Try to copy how I say the words. That's how you become fluent. You're doing amazing. Keep going. In the next part, we will talk about your evening, what you do after work or school, and how to describe your night in simple English. Ready to continue? Let's go. Now, let's talk about your evening. Evening is the time after work or school. Maybe you go home. Maybe you cook dinner. Maybe you relax. This is your evening routine. Let's begin with this simple sentence. After work, I go home. Repeat after me. After work, I go home. Good. Now let's add more. After work, I go home and take a shower. One more time. After work, I go home and take a shower. Well done. Now imagine this is your day. After school, I take the bus home. I eat a snack. Then I watch a TV show. Let's say it slowly, together. After school, I take the bus home. I eat a snack. Then I watch a TV show. You can change this for your own life. For example, after work, I ride my motorbike home. I rest for 30 minutes. Then I help my mother with dinner. Let's talk more about eating dinner. I eat dinner with my family. Repeat. I eat dinner with my family. Nice. Or, sometimes I eat alone. Repeat. Sometimes I eat alone. Very clear. Now, maybe after dinner, you want to relax. You can say, in the evening, I like to relax. Repeat that. In the evening, I like to relax. What do you do to relax? Here are some ideas. I watch a movie. I listen to music. I talk with my friend. I check my phone. I play a game. You can say, in the evening, I watch a movie with my brother. Or, at night, I play games on my phone. Let's practice. In the evening, I usually stay at home. I watch a movie or listen to music. Sometimes, I go for a walk. Say that slowly with me. In the evening, I usually stay at home. I watch a movie or listen to music. Sometimes, I go for a walk. Well done. Now let's talk about getting ready for bed. You can say, I brush my teeth, I wash my face, I change into pajamas, I check my phone one last time, I go to sleep at 10 o'clock. Here's a full sentence. Before bed, I brush my teeth and wash my face. Repeat that. Before bed, I brush my teeth and wash my face. Or, I go to sleep around 10 p.m. Say it with me. I go to sleep around 10 p.m. Now let's practice one full evening story. Listen first. After work, I go home. I take a shower and eat dinner. Then I watch a show on my laptop. Before bed, I brush my teeth and go to sleep at 10. 3. Now repeat part by part. After work, I go home. I take a shower and eat dinner. Then I watch a show on my laptop. Before bed, I brush my teeth and go to sleep at 10:30. Excellent. Now I want you to try this. Think about your real evening. What do you do after work or school? Pause this video if you need to. Then try to speak your own version. After work, I wanna. Then I. Before bed, I. You can say it out loud or write it down. This is great daily English practice. Now let's add some extra helpful evening expressions. I feel tired after work. I don't cook. I order food online. I talk to my friend on the phone. I watch English videos to practice. Let's practice these one by one. I feel tired after work. Repeat. I feel tired after work. I order food online. Say it. I order food online. I talk to my friend on the phone. Repeat. I talk to my friend on the phone. I watch English videos to practice. Try that now. I watch English videos to practice. You're doing a great job. Learning how to talk about your evening in simple English helps you become more confident in daily life conversations. And when you practice like this every day, your English will get better naturally and slowly. Keep watching. Let's keep learning together. And now, you've made it to the end of our daily English speaking practice. Take a moment, smile. You've just walked through an entire day in English, from the moment you opened your eyes in the morning, to getting ready, going to work or school, having conversations, relaxing in the evening, all the way to bedtime. You didn't just learn words today, you learned how to express your life in English. And that's powerful, because real fluency is not about using big words. It's about being able to tell your story, to say what you feel, to share your thoughts, to connect with people, and today, you did that. Every sentence you spoke, every phrase you repeated, every question you understood it all, brought you closer to English confidence. I know sometimes English can feel difficult. Maybe you feel nervous. Maybe you make mistakes. But you showed up today. You practiced. You spoke out loud. And that's what matters. Mistakes. That's how you grow. Feeling shy. That's part of the journey. Just remember, every day you speak, you get stronger. Every time you listen, you improve. And when you come back tomorrow, you'll be better than you were today. So be proud of yourself. You did something amazing. Before we go, let me remind you, this is just the beginning. There are more stories to tell, more practice to do, and more confidence to build. So keep going. Come back to this video whenever you need to review. Use it like your English friend. And if today helped you, remember to subscribe to TalkTune English for more speaking practice every week. This is Jason, and I'm proud of you. Keep speaking, keep learning, and keep believing in yourself. I'll see you in the next lesson. Until then, good night, and take care.